For this flower, you can use two 260s. I used one pink for the petals and one green for the stem. For the petals, blow it up almost all the way, so there's a little bit left. And for the stem, leave quite a bit extra, maybe about 6 fingers lengths. Alright, let's grab that pink balloon that we're using for our petals, blown up almost all the way, so there's a little bit extra there that we can tie together. So go ahead and tie those together. Tie it around 2 times, lock it in. And that's going to create one big loop twist. So you're going to pull those apart, and that's going to naturally find that crease on that right side. So hold that tight, and then twist the top around a few times. That'll create a twist on that right side right in the middle. Go ahead and squeeze the balloon a few times on both bubbles. This is going to get it pliable and ready. And now what you're going to do is essentially you're going to twist these two as one unit in 3 equal parts. So I just grab it where I see it's 3 equal parts, and then I just twist all at one time. The trick is holding it all together without it unraveling. And you fold these kind of like in a Z formation on top of each other, and then you're going to bring them all together just like that. And while it's still in your hand, you're going to twist all those 3 on one side at least one time around. And this is going to create the 6 petals for our 6-petal flower. Alright, looks good. Now we're going to grab that green balloon, and this is for our stem. So we're going to start by doing a 1-inch bubble, hold that into place, and we're just going to slide that right into those petals. So in between any of the 2 petals, just pop that in, so that 1-inch bubble is sticking right on top. Go down the balloon just a little bit, maybe about 4 fingers lengths, and then you're going to do a loop twist that's also about 4, maybe 5 fingers lengths. Not super wide, and you're going to do 2 of those loop twists. You want to get these to match each other. So you just kind of do it by eye, or you can put it up next to the one you just created. And now you're almost done. We're just going to tie off and pull off that extra little bit we have on the end there. Let's go ahead and just tie. Get rid of that excess balloon that we don't need. And go ahead and just pop that off. Just like that. Alright, there's just one last thing. If you want to spend a little extra time to make it look good, we're going to take that nub on the top there and then just bring it all the way down in between 2 of those petals. Just wrap it around a couple times. This makes it look nice and smooth on top. Kind of finishes it off. And you just made a 6-petal flower. Nice work.